Introducing award-winning PEVONIA Natural Skincare's newest breakthrough collection, Power Repair Micro-Pores Bioactive. Did you know visible pores is the #1 concern for women ages 20 to 35? PEVONIA's newest collection of products shrinks the appearance of pores and so much more. Get smoother skin, provide instant hydration, and minimize lines and wrinkles today. Discover complexion perfection for women and men with the power of 2 breakthrough ingredients uniquely formulated to work hand in hand with the skin. If you hoped that the end of your teenage years meant the beginning of a flawless matte and clear complexion, think again. Oily skin conditions can continue well into your 50s. Made with a new probiotic ingredient, this groundbreaking peptide contains skin-perfecting amino acids to tackle skin concerns driven by excess oiliness. The key ingredients in this dynamic powerhouse system are pseudo-alteromas, a probiotic peptide extract. It is sourced from mud found on King George Island in Antarctica that regenerates and protects the skin, and red clover extract, a wild plant native to Europe belonging to the lagoon family. And it helps to tighten skin, reduce oiliness, and eliminate dead skin cells. Let's face it, we're not all pore perfect. Excess oiliness, dead cells, loss of elasticity, and even lifestyle and genetic factors can lead to enlarged pores. Want to reveal an envious complexion fast? The new Power Repair Micro-Pores collection contains 3 products to do just that: a serum, moisturizer, and a mask. The Power Repair Intensifier Bioactive Serum is a deeply hydrating micro-emulsified gel that normalizes oil production and minimizes pores. The Power Repair Micro-Pores Refine Cream is a light texture, non-greasy micro-emulsion that boosts ingredient absorbency for outstanding results. The Power Repair Micro-Pores Bioactive Mask is a weekly or overnight treatment that controls oiliness and works to assure your skin looks matte and more evenly toned. You'll see results quickly with this cutting-edge system. So go ahead, experience the power of complexion perfection today.